Good day, here's the latest news for today. With the emergence of the Delta variant in the nearby cities of Misor province, Governor Bambi Emano once again reminded the public to take this pandemic seriously, especially now that the coronavirus has developed several variants that are more contagious. Let's hear Jane Salimbao for the report.
Yes, Mark. For more than a year, COVID-19 has emerged not only in the province, but in the whole nation, which affects many lives in different aspects of life.
Hereby, Governor Bambi Emano unfailingly made an appeal to all Misamisnons to be careful and to always follow health protocols and guidelines set by the government, especially now that the highly infectious virus already occurred in nearby cities of the province.
And I hope that you too will be able to realize that COVID is not a joke, especially with the variant B or Delta variant.
In relation to that, as of July 16, 2021, as issued by the IATF Resolution No. 127-E, Misor Province is set under General Community Quarantine Classification that will last until July 31, 2021 due to the alarming surge of Delta variant from the surrounding cities. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Delta variant, also known as B.1.617.2, can spread more easily. It has changes in the spike protein that makes it simpler to infect human cells, according to research. This means that if someone contracts the virus, they may become more contagious and spread it more easily to others. For 1 year and 4 months since the province have been proclaimed under the state of calamity from March 9, 2020, the province of Misamis Oriental, led by Governor Bambi Emano, alongside Provincial IATF Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan, remained resilient despite the effect brought by the virus, which can be seen evidently in the decrease of COVID-19 cases in the province.
With high hopes, Governor Bambi Emano is assertive that through coordination and cooperation among government employees and all citizens of the province, the figure of COVID-19 cases will continue to flatten its curve, and sooner the people of the province will no longer dwell on the fear of losing lives, and many will be hoarded in this pandemic. This is Jane Salimbao, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Mark?
Thanks, Jane. In another story, COVID-19 has become a part of the lives of every Misamisnon. But with the Provincial Interagency Task Force's effort of combating this pandemic, all Misamisnons are confident that this battle is winnable as immunization continues to roll out in the entire province. Let's have Danny Abshama Jr. for the full story.
Yes, Mark. The Provincial Interagency Task Force of Misamis Oriental is adamant to the reports that new variant of COVID-19 virus is emanating in the country. In the entire Philippines, the Provincial Health Office of Misamis Oriental is the only PHO that has taken the initiative in conducting immunization rollout for COVID-19 vaccination and has been accepting swabbing for RT-PCR testing. With Governor Bambi Emano's full support, the Provincial Health Office of Misamis Oriental, spearheaded by Dr. Jerry Kalingasan, continues to provide more of these services to all Misamisnons and the people of Cagayan de Oro, including the nearby provinces. This week, the Provincial Health Office, with the assistance of the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, has inoculated 945 vaccine recipients, completing their second dose of Pfizer, as well as 708 recipients on their first dose of Gamaleya. In total, Misamis Oriental received 3,500 doses of Gamaleya distributed to the following LGUs: Tagolwan, El Salvador, Naawan, Lugait, Manticao, Claveria, Villanueva, Alubihid, Hasaan, and Balingasag. Additionally, 885 vials of AstraZeneca will be distributed next week to the LGUs for the second dose of vaccination. Unswervingly, Governor Bambi Emano has just made sure that majority of Misamisnons will be carefully taken care of in the role of vaccination to make sure that herd immunity in the province will be achieved, especially that a new variant of virus is emerging. This is Danny Abshama Jr., aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Mark?
Thanks, Danny, and that is the latest news for today. For more details, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, I'm Raymark Simania. Good day.